Alright, so welcome back to another video, guys. It's been a while since I made a video here in this channel, and as you guys can see, there's been some changes here in the studio. So I did make some improvements in the studio, and I'm still improving the studio moving forward to 2021. So yes, I did some stuff outside the world of audio and YouTube, so that's why I wasn't able to upload. I'm gonna tell you guys about it in the future, but for today I just wanted to have fun because I'm still warming up in making videos, and we're gonna unbox some stuff that arrived here in this channel. And also, of course, I do want to know what items you want me to check out first. This will be just for fun unboxing, but let's roll that intro. So let's take a look at this first. This tall box. This actually came from AliExpress. I'm not sure what it is, but it seems to be like several packages. So let's try to open it up, of course, with our trusty unboxing knife. Actually, recently I haven't really listened to a lot of gear. I'm just listening to a Starfield, and of course some of my wireless pairs as well. So I haven't been exploring, but I will explore again because yes, I need to check out other things. I have heard that there's a lot of releases now in the audio world, especially for the SSP. I am quite excited about that, and also the Blonde 01. Some people are asking me to take a look at it. So opening this up, I'm not sure what this is, but it's quite a weird box. It's the first time that I saw a box like this here in this channel. And what is this? This is quite a different box. All right, so actually I can't see what type of shoe this is, but yeah, this might be an interesting product because the package itself is unique, and Shoers is really popular in the community, so really excited about this. I thought it was gonna be maybe like 2 boxes or 3 items, but just one. So really excited about this. Let's put this aside, and let's take a look at this actually first. So this is the TriStar C. So this one I already unboxed it, but this is a 1DD 2BA in-ear hi-fi earphones, and Tri, and really popular in the community actually, the Tri brand as well. And yeah, a big box as well, and as you guys can see, it's quite a looker. It has that ocean-esque kind of look, that organic kind of look. And 1DD 2BA, really interesting. TriStar C. And let's take a look at this one as well. Alright, so this one is quite new as well. I just got this maybe 2 weeks ago. So this seems to be just one package. And of course, let me know down in the comments below, guys, what items you are interested to check out, because yes, I'm gonna talk to my partners here in the channel, and maybe can have some units over as well to check out. And this one is TRN ST1. Alright, so I already have a TRN ST1, so I already reviewed it also, so I'm not sure who sent this over, but yes, we have another one. Maybe this is maybe a mistake in shipping, I don't know, but I already have this one. Putting this aside, and let's take a look at this one. Alright, so opening it up, so this is all you need is TYR, tier. That's interesting. I haven't seen that kind of. Oh, it's a Kinera. Okay, Kinera tier, 6mm micro dynamic driver, process sensitivity 105, impedance 16 ohm. Driver is 6mm dynamic driver. So interesting that you have multiple dynamic drivers. Also 6 in number, so quite a number here. So yes, interesting. I haven't actually checked out the other Kinera here in the channel. I do need to unbox that thing because again, I'm delayed with my reviews. So let's take a look at other, maybe this one first. So I'm not sure you know what big package is gonna come here in the channel, but maybe this is a headphone. So I do have I'm supposed to have reviews from headphones manufacturers as well, so that may be an improvement here in the channel moving forward. We're not just gonna cover IEMs, but we're also gonna do some headphones, or more headphones, because I did cover some headphones before, but of course I haven't reviewed all my headphones yet. So alright, so this is a Mies 99. Nice. I don't have a Mies yet here in this channel, and these are one of the lookers in the audio community. So it has that wooden kind of look, and I actually haven't listened to these intently. I have listened to these in just maybe events, but not really, you know, here in the studio. So this is the Mies 99 Classics Walnut Silver, and that is what it looks like. So it's definitely a looker for me, and fatigue resistant, soft PU leather, self-adjusting headband, individually hand finished, electroplated precision die-cast zinc alloy, and detachable Kevlar, and that is what it looks like. One of the lookers for me in you know, the audio community, one of the best looking headphones. Really interesting. But this is what we have now here in this channel. New stuff that arrived. Of course, there's, I guess, fewer because I wasn't really actively looking for items compared to before. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you guys want me to check out. What items should I check out now in 2021? Yeah, a couple of videos that I need to do as well, like my top 5s and stuff like that. But let's see if I can, you know, finish that as well, because I do have some reviews that I need to check out before doing that. So yeah, we'll see what I can do. But of course, with your comments and support, guys, let's see what I can do here in this channel. So that's our classic unboxing of the things that arrived here in the channel. If you have questions for me, let me know down in the comments below. Also, yes, happy new year, guys, for 2021. I forgot to greet you guys, so have a nice new year as well for 2021. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the future videos. We're gonna do more reviews, unboxings, and stuff like that here in the channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.